Hey guys, welcome to my new video. This is my new laptop. I have bought it from Vijay Sales itself, and I was just wanted to share my experience with you. This is the laptop content, like it is the HP one. It is 512 GB SSD only, 8 GB of RAM, which has optical drive, Windows 10, which has been installed but will be upgraded to Windows 11 itself. And it will be around 14-inch laptop LED display with 220 nits. You can see that, the laptop code is CK218TU. That 2018 doesn't mean it is a value of 2018. It belongs to 2021 itself. It has a processor of i5 10210U processor. You can see it in. Here are some specifications like battery voltage, and like it involves Microsoft Office that you have been shown, and I have chosen Intel inside as per the convenience. It's been around 57331 rupees, but I have got it around 50,000 rupees. And this is what we got in our the box content. So now we will move to the what's inside this box. Yeah, first of all we get to see setup instructions, like how do we start, how do we look. You can have a watch on it. Yeah, so we can proceed the further things. Another thing, the thing is that this is the power cable that has been provided by the HP. Would be 65 volt power adapter that HP provides with this laptop, and it's a good quality one, must say. It's the power cord, you can adapt in it this way, and we are ready to charge it. We will go towards the major purposes. The laptop one. Yeah, this is the laptop, HP laptop, the main content. We can just blink it off. Yeah, so here we are unboxing it. The packing quality is nice, must say. The HP worked on it. Yeah, this is our laptop. You can see, it's a matte color. I have chosen the matte one. It has been silver one, but I have chosen the matte one because black is a class. The ports you can check. This is a USB port, micro SD port. There are external security thing, and on the other side we have audio jack, USB, UFC, and HDMI, and Ethernet, and here is a charging one. So we can have this look over it. So here we will just open it up. Yeah, here you can see the here we will be going yeah, it is something feels something it touches like a premium laptop one. You can boot it up. Here is the boot, you can see. From here we will boot it up. The time that it will take, you can charge it up. Yeah, so here's the give me some time, I will be here with you. So yeah guys, I have booted, I have signed it up, all the things that have been required. So now we will check the specification from it, what does it run in from. As you can see that it has been a i5 processor, i5 Intel i10 generation, and which contains Microsoft Office and Student as well as. And in this CPU works having on a running procedure, you can see it in all the graph itself. can have a look over it. For about the specification of that, we can get over it. Like the CPU is contains of i5 10210U. CPU contains 1.60 hertz. Its memory would be around like 8 GB RAM that have been available, and for around disk it will be around like 512 GB, which only be like not almost expandable, but the thing is that we can expand towards like as much we can, but not more than that. It contains a Wi-Fi signal, like it has been connected towards my Wi-Fi. It has a great connectivity, like it instantly connects towards it. It have the integrated like Intel RUHD graphics, which contains like 4 GB of that content, which helps it to run like games or like the stuff that have been required for the playing in the new laptops. So here we are, like here we can details the check and details. This is the one, like laptop goes off. In next video I will get and show you like how this works on set up the new laptop. It contains like 189 GB of 250 GB. Like I have splitted the SSD in two parts. In one time it is like 108, and in another I have converted it to 195 GB. As per the usage, you can depend upon like what you require, what you don't require for the sake. So hey guys, thank you. This is up for this video.